to 1 o'clock. It's Footy Utopia, talking all things Dream Team as part of the All Night Appetite every Wednesday morning. And we're going to head across now. We've got Craig Foster on the line. Fozzie.
Hey guys! Guess what, guys? We're going to Rio, baby!
Yeah.
That was a gutsy, for me, a gutsy performance tonight, and it was world class. I tell you, it was more exciting and more dangerous in terms of how late we left it than the end of the Bloodsport film with Jean-Claude Van Damme.
Oh, great movie. Great movie.
When they threw the dust in his eyes.
Yeah. And he's blinded.
I was blinded, but he did the spin kicks. And
He balanced between two beds.
Sounds like Guido Hatzis.
It was a little bit, wasn't it? I thought as good as Bresciano was, it was very good.
It was good.
I thought that the move of removing Timmy. We removed Timmy this week.
Yeah. Who did that move? Who did that move?
I think you know who that was.
Who was it?
It was Holger.
Holger Oshik.
Oh, Holger. Oh, he's so good. But Timmy, he didn't like the balls that were coming in. He thought, you know what? I'll bring in Kennedy. He doesn't care. He's from Camelot. He's royalty. And he delivered. It was amazing.
Fozzie, I thought they were a little bit more technical than Jordan. What do you think about Iraq?
The Iraqis were, very technical.
I thought that the Iraqis tactically were good, but in the end, technicality beats tacticality every time. I'll tell you I had a couple of big highlights.
Yep.
Two big ones. The first one, I love the T-shirts after the game.
Yeah, they were very
Johnny
big.
Warren.
Yeah,
Very big.
Just made them look like they were all ready to go on a fleet trip.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Let's be honest. And, we've all got the World Cup fever. We've all got it. But the second thing that I loved was there's nothing better. It was so Sydney to see a bunch of men jumping up and down to a Peter Allen song.
Podium.
Nice.
Very
Nice. I thought they were going to break that podium at
on
one
a float.
stage.
Yeah.
Yes. I didn't think it had a very strong framework. Tactically, that's an error. But, and that was world class, but I had one disappointment. There was one disappointment.
Seemed to have a few buzzwords.
For me, I turned around to Les. I said, Les, I've got one disappointment. He said, Fozzie, what is it? I said, where's John Travolta at the end of the game, dancing with the guys and singing Staying Alive? Where is that?
Yeah.
And apparently John was busy getting a massage.
Oh, Fozzie.
Who was he?
Thanks.
That was good.
The real reason I called guys and girls, by the way, a quick message for Rosie from Holger. Rosie, you can speak now. Just wanted to call. I don't know if it's early. I hope I haven't gone early here, guys. But girls, just want to know who should be the captain for my dream team this week.
That's a great question,
Good
Fozzie.
question, Fozzie.
Without Ablett playing, without Swan playing, without Watson playing.
I'll answer that three ways.
Ooh, I like when you go three ways.
Number one, Barlow. Loving his form. Three game mean, better than anyone.
Freo got this week?
They have
Kangaroos.
the Kangas
at Perth?
at Patterson.
home, yeah.
Yep.
Right, okay.
3 game mean of 127.
Yeah.
Ryan Griffin, whose form is irresistible.
He's super coach. He's
Irresistible.
as good as anyone going.
Yep.